Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. Want to bring you another original design. This is the Zhivago knot. Let's go ahead and get started. My left side again is at the belt line as usual. I'm going to come over here, I'm going to put a dimple in here. I'm going to bring it over here to the center, and we're going to come up and over here like this. We're going to come around like this, and then we're going to come up and over like that. It's pretty basic stuff so far. I'm going to fold it in half, bring it around here like this, bring it back across like this. Bring it around here like this, then it's folded. I'm going to bring it through here like so. And then I'm going to bring it over here like this, across here like this. Forming a form of a Z right here. So there we have that. There's the Zhivago knot. Again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. See you on Instagram. Follow me on SimmonsEssentials. And if you have a tie knot, let me know about it. Tag me on Instagram. I want to wear it and give you credit for it. Alright? So again, thank you for watching. And we'll see you in the next video. Here's what it looks like framed with the buttons. Peace and God bless.